Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Pure Enrichment MistAire Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, Premium Humidifying Unit with 1.5 liters water tank, whisper quiet operation, automatic shutoff, and night light function, lasts up to 16 hours. The humidifier gives a constant stream of moisture quietly without making the room too cold, or leaving condensation either. It's a great little humidifier, super quiet, not a single drip or leak, and the detachable power cord makes it simple to move the base for easy maintenance. However, it was hard to clean the base of the tank, and the little tube opening inside the water tank. It does what it's supposed to do, add moisture to the air during the cold season. The manual that comes with it is very clear, explains everything you need to do keep the unit clean and working. The blue light on the button is bright enough without turning on the night light mode, which is really bright then. Our baby seems to like it, and the gluk gluk sound every once in a while is very quiet, and not a bother at all. This unit is very quiet, and it does a great job of raising the humidity in a room. Guess it couldn't detect the tank? Water kept leaking out, and for the 5 minutes the light was blue. The water wasn't turning into vapor. The downside to the larger one is you have to rinse wash in the tub, or kitchen sink. The device stopped working, but the water portion continues to drain, and it's leaking on the floor. Not sure about the design either. Lots of space on top that doesn't do anything. Pure Enrichment's Model P Humidif Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier came out as the best choice for me. However, perhaps give it a try for you, knowing the company 100 stands behind their product. Product pros: this is a powerful humidifier that is great for covering a full room for more than 10 hours. Large tank LED light is soft and easy to sleep with it on, easy to set up. It has a transparent tank, so you always know how much water there is left. This is a perfect example of what someone thinks is style without regard for practicality. But when a machine as quiet as this releases air bubbles, it's the loudest darn bloop bloop you've ever heard. So, as you can see, quiet though it may be most of the time, those bubbles are rather disturbing. Water builds up at the base of the unit, and overflows between the two parts. If you're looking for a personal humidifier for a small room, this thing is great. It produces a nice, steady stream of cool mist as expected, and runs very quietly. There are 4 total settings: low with blue night light, low without night light, high with blue night light, high without night light. I've run tap water through it, which is not the best thing to do, and it works great. Leaving a bit of water in the base of the reservoir is what allows bacteria to grow. It's easy to get complacent about a machine with an automatic shutoff, but the danger is that if you don't open it up, dry it, and leave it with airflow, you're going to have problems down the line. Only a small amount of bubbles can be heard when it is on during the night. This humidifier didn't modify the humidity reading on the hygrometer after it ran through a full tank. So then, since you hit the button on accident, you then have to go all the way through 3 more beeps to get back to your original setting. So far, the way that the base is designed, it is easier to clean and remove any mold that grows. These are things done in the room while the baby is sleeping, and it would be nice if there was no risk in waking her. The LED night light looks nice. It lights up the water, and can be turned on off. Cleaning inside of it took a few cotton swabs, and some steaming hot water to get it all cleaned up. Product quality scale 15, 5 best product cost scale 15, 5 best value product appearance scale 15, 5 small footprint, and blends with room product impact scale 15, 4 too small to humidify entire room, but placed next to bed does a good job. Why would anyone want a power light on the button? It has a night light mode already if you wanted a bright light to keep you awake at night. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.